welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a line dance move, and this line dance move can be used in any line dance. It will be used in my next line dance, so that's why we're working on it today. So we're going to go in a little bit more depth with this move, and this move is called a rodeo kick. So the rodeo kick, it has 2 kicks and a triple step. So let me just show you. It's kick, kick, 1, 2, 3, kick, kick, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to break that down. So your kicks are going to side, and then you do a triple step. So it's kick, I'm using my right foot, kick, kick to one corner, kick to the other corner, and then a triple step, which is just a right, left, right. And then you kick with the other foot, kick to one corner, kick to the other corner, and then left, right, left. Okay, so it's 1, 2, right, left, right, 1, 2, left, right, left. Good. And I like to add a bit of a bounce to it, just to make it a little bit more fun, a little bit more style. So I go kick, kick, 1, 2, 3, kick, kick, 1, 2, 3. So again, a little bit slower. We do kick, kick, which is a little bit of a bounce, bounce, right, left, right, bounce, bounce, left, right, left. Let's go full speed, all right? Ready, guys? And a 5, 6, 7, and kick, kick, 1, 2, 3, kick, kick, 1, 2, 3. Couple more. 5, 6, 7, and kick, kick, 1, 2, 3, kick, kick, 1, 2, 3. Awesome. And the main thing to work on for your kicks, have it relaxed. No need to point your foot, but if you want to, you can flex it, but just make sure your whole leg is relaxed when you do the kick. And you got the rodeo kick down. Very good, guys. That's the video for today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Let me know you liked it, and I'll see you guys for our next line dance or whatever videos next. Bye.